of
Sequest and Summer. We are very excited to bring them, today to bring them what?
Chocolate
Ice cream, guys. Nothing beats chocolate. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Everyone loves chocolate.
You
of course.
like chocolate.
Huh?
You like chocolate.
Me and you as well. Summer as well loves chocolate. So we have here 3 ingredients chocolate ice cream.
3 ingredients?
Yeah. It's just easy peasy to do. Yeah.
How do you make 3 ingredients and then boom, chocolate ice cream?
Boom. That's the word. Is that the word? 3 ingredients. Boom.
I know how you make ice cream.
Yeah.
You just put ice and then cream.
Nah, that's a summer joke. It's like a dad joke, but a summer joke. Alright. So let's get on to it and we will show you how. Let's go.
Let's go.
Before we start, of course, we would need a bowl. And and for the very first ingredient, it would be
Thickened cream.
thickened cream. So Summer will pour the thickened cream into the bowl. Let's go, Summer.
Ooh. Do we need a spoon?
So now that's in. What's the next step is for us to
Whip it up.
whip it up into medium peak. Alright, so guys, this is how you want it to be. You don't want it to be too stiff anyway. You want it to be creamy. Alright? So now we have the cream whipped up. What's the next ingredient, Sama?
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk. Alright, let's go. Let me get a spoon. Alright.
Condensed milk looks a bit yummy, like candy. No candy.
There you go. Good work, Sama. Alright, so Summer's going to mix it up, alright? Alright guys, now that we have mixed the condensed milk properly, what's the last ingredient, Sama? It's
Cocoa powder.
cocoa powder, alright. So, in this step you would need a sifter. And then just slowly,
Oh.
pour it. So maybe half of it. Alright, now that everything is sifted,
We mix
just
it
going
again.
to mix it slowly. And
It's gonna be tough.
you're going to see, guys, that it's going to give that nice smell, nice consistency.
It smells like
That's what I'm saying, guys. You cannot over whip the cream because the cocoa powder will give the body of your ice cream a bit of that weight. So if you over whip it, by the time you mix the cocoa powder, it's going to be hard to mix through. So this is just perfect. Look at that. You are looking at that kind of consistency, alright? Alright, Sama, now that the ice cream is halfway there, what do we need? We need a container, alright? So what we're using is just a loaf. What we're going to do is just to transfer the mixture into the container and freeze it for
5
hours, alright? So we'll transfer it now. So we need to just smoothen it out.
Maybe you need a spoon to scrape off the leftovers on the spatula.
Yep, of course. Right, so we're going to do 2 wraps. Yeah, 2 cling wraps.
Just in case.
One that touches the surface.
Second that goes.
So here. So
Can I put the second one on?
Yep. So basically the one it just touches the surface. Alright, there you go.
Yeah, the other one.
And one more, Summer will cover it.
And I think it's enough.
A bit more, wait. There you go. Alright.
Here you go, guys. Time to put it in the freezer.
We'll see.
Alright, the Yummy's 5 hours is up, and here we have our chocolate ice cream. It looks so yummy and so rich.
Yeah.
I can't wait to try it.
Me too. It really looks beautiful. Just by the color of it, it looks creamy. So, can't wait to try this one. Here we go.
It tastes so good, it melts in your mouth.
I'm speechless. It's a look of pure amazement. Guys, it's really good, and no words can describe how Summer and I feel about this one. With just 3 ingredients, you have your best chocolate ice cream ever.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, please give this recipe a try at home, and if you like this video, please leave your comments down below and
Subscribe.
hit the subscribe button and
Don't forget to like.
hit the bell as well, guys. So
You'll be notified every time we have a new episode.
of course, and if you have any of your creations, please feel free to post it
them
on
Facebook.
Yes, definitely. So again, guys, thank you so much, and we do hope you enjoy your chocolate ice cream like we do.
Now I'm speechless again. I just can't help it. I love it.
Yeah, it's awesome.